Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your purchase app history right here on your iPad. Doesn't matter if you guys have an iPad mini, iPad Air, iPad Pro, it's going to be the exact same instructions for all iPads. Go right into your app store. Once we launch up your app store, on the top right hand corner you will see a circle. Inside the circle is a picture maybe that you guys chose already, or just the standard circle. Just click on the top right hand side of your screen. Once you scroll down just a little bit, you're gonna see purchased. That's your very first option up here. So go ahead and tap on purchased. Inside here we're gonna see everything. So my purchases again, and then from here again we're gonna see App Store installed on our iPad and App Store or not. Our second option up here will be not on this iPad. So right now here's all our history and all the apps that we downloaded from before and everything that's not in our iPad. But you can also go into all and see all of them, whichever apps you do have in your iPad and whichever others you don't as well. This is all your history. If you're looking for a specific app, yes, we can tap on search and just look for that specific app, such as Among Us, and it's just gonna find that app right here. So we can open it up or download it again. So let's say you're looking for not Among Us, but let's say right here it says Injustice Gods Among Us. We can go ahead and re-download it just by tapping on that cloud icon with the down arrow, and then it's just gonna begin the download. So that's how you guys can find any apps that you purchased before, whether they're paid or free apps. It's exact same instructions. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.